Hey there. Welcome to FYT Rwanda in 7 Days Premium Circuit Tour. Today, the journey rises towards the mist-covered peaks of Volcanoes National Park. The air grows cooler, the mountains stand tall and ancient. You will feel the anticipation building. At Ellen DeGeneres campus of Dian Fossey, Gorilla Fund, you step into the story of conservation, learning about the research, protection, and the ongoing commitment to safeguarding mountain gorillas for future generations. It's inspiring, purposeful, and hopeful. Later in the day, culture welcomes you with rhythm and color. Traditional dances move with pride, drums echo against the volcanic backdrops, community members share the stories that connect past and present. You begin to understand that in Rwanda, wildlife and people are deeply intertwined. As the evening falls, beneath covering and towering the volcanoes, excitement builds up quietly. So tomorrow is something that few people in the world will ever experience, but we are offering it to you on a silver platter. For more information, visit rwandain7days.iforeveryoungtours.com or email us at booking@iforeveryoungtours.com. Thank you.